What up, dude bros? I'm Frank. This is a video review of the Nerf Fortnite ARL. This blaster made by Nerf is modeled after a real Fortnite gun from the video game. I don't personally play the video game, but it's supposed to model after something in that game. I don't do Fortnite, but I definitely do Nerf. So this one's a semi-auto flywheel-powered blaster that's battery-operated, and it shoots regular Nerf darts, and it takes regular Nerf magazines, even though the included one's a little weird, so it's a pretty fun package. Let's get into the review. Included is the blaster itself, magazine, darts, and the instructions. This blaster requires 4 AA alkaline batteries.